If you're looking to integrate MailerLite with other apps or create custom API connections, you're in the right place. We're going to walk you through generating your MailerLite API key and where to find additional developer tools like our API documentation and group IDs. If you're new to APIs, these are what you'd use to connect MailerLite to other applications like Shopify, Zapier, WooCommerce, and more. You just need your account's unique API info. To get your MailerLite API key, start in your MailerLite dashboard and navigate to the Integrations page on the left sidebar. Under MailerLite API, at the top of the page, click the Use button. On this page, click Generate New Token. Give your token a name, and this can be anything that helps you remember its purpose, like Shopify integration. Configure your IP restrictions. You can either allow all IPs or add a specific trusted one using the IP Allow List feature. This lets you create a list of trusted IP addresses that can access your API key. Only requests coming from these specific IP addresses will be accepted if you use this feature. When you're done, check this box to agree to terms of use, and then click Create Token. Once your API key is created, copy the key, or click Download to save it as a text file. This key will only be shown once, so try not to lose it. If you're a developer, our API documentation is your go-to resource for creating custom integrations. On the Developer API page, you'll find our API reference with everything that you need to learn how to use our software developer kits, guides that will show you how to dive deep into our integrations, instructions on how to generate your API key, like we've done in this video, and a link to our knowledge base to find more videos and tutorials to help you use MailerLite. Now, what about group IDs? They're essential for certain API calls, and finding them is pretty easy. Scroll down to the Groups section, and there you'll find IDs for each group in your account. And with that, you should be good to go with generating your very own MailerLite API key. Thanks for watching, and if you need any more help, be sure to check out our knowledge base linked below for step-by-step guides and troubleshooting tips. And remember to subscribe for more of the best tips in email marketing.